Hey guys, it's Miss Hornsby, and today we are going to look at some of our new sounds for this week. So, our new sound for this week is the S sound whenever it's put at the end of a word. Sometimes whenever an S is put at the end of the word, it makes the S sound, like hops, and sometimes whenever it's put at the end of the word, it makes a Z sound, like logs. Now let's review some of our other sounds from the previous weeks. INK says ink, like sink. ANK says ank, like bank. ONK says onk, like honk. UNK says unk, like junk. ING says ing, like sing. ANG says ang, like rang. ONG says ong, like song. And UNG says ung, like lung.